Hey everyone, it's Tiffany. I'm back on today with another video. This video is an incoming swap project share. I just came back from checking my mail and I received my swap from Rebecca. Rebecca is Beck's Crafting World and Beck's Crafts and More. And she hosted a loaded Halloween bag swap. And so I just received my swap today, so I want to go ahead and share what I received. So let me just I have it in the box. I haven't I opened the box, but I didn't, look to see who my partner was or what's inside. So this is all going to be a surprise. So first, there's this really cute pumpkin pouch and it has a really cute altered paper clip. It looks like a cut apart from a collection. I don't know what collection this is, but she is too cute. I love her. So that's cute. So let's open up the pouch here and see what's inside. I'll just take everything out. Here we go. Oh, look at that. So here I have a couple of pens. One pen is a white pen, which is nice because these pens are like DIY pens. You can get pen wraps and wrap it. You can use vinyl or stickers. So that's really cool. And this one here is a beaded pen. I love that bead. I love anything shiny. That's a really pretty bead. And it's on an orange glitter pen. Isn't that cute? And here are some Halloween cabochons. Adorable. Look at all that. And here's a card. So let me open the card. I don't have, where is my, here. I'm just going to use the scissors to open the card. There we go. Oh, this is cute. I love that. So let me take a look here. This is from Beck. Thank you, Beck. She's so sweet. We are good friends. We met this year and we just hit it off, and we have so many similarities in our life, and we just love to chat, and we just have a good time when we talk to each other. So thank you so much, Bex. All right. So that's from her. And so this is my swap that I received. Ooh, look at all these yummy Tootsie Rolls. How fun is that? With that cute bag topper. So that's cute. So let's see here. Okay, so this is Created from the Heart by UCY I'm a Diva. And that's Lisa. Lisa and I, we go back years. We used to actually chit chat a bit through email, and then I took a break from crafting. But yeah, Lisa is an amazing crafter. So I can't wait to see what she made in here. Sorry for the crinkling. Let me see if I can do this without making too much noise. Like so. Apparently not. So let me just take everything out real quick. There we go. All right. So for the swap, it was a loaded Halloween bag swap, and we had to follow a tutorial. So all our bags are the same, and then we're to load it with some of the requirements, which I can't remember off the top of my head. And my swap tracker is actually downstairs because I was updating my swap tracker, so I don't have it up here in my craft room. But anyhow, we did have some requirements, and so I'm sure it's all in here. So let's just go over everything I received. I'm going to put these candies to the side. So here, this is the bag she created, and look at how she decorated. Isn't that so cute? She put this mummy on a wobble, and it says Happy Halloween, and she used a spider web. What do you call this? Like a border die, and it looks like it's either on glitter paper or she glittered it with a pen. So that is so cute. So let's do the first pocket. So the first pocket looks like there's two charms in here. These two cute Halloween pumpkin and ghost charms. Look at that. Those are so cute. I'm definitely going to use these next year. And here, oops, all these balls are coming out. Sorry. And here's a sequins mix. I love the colors in here. So she has the purple and gold, orange, and different purples, like a lavender and a deeper purple. Again, mixed with orange and gold. Really pretty. I love the color of these bags. The gradient bags, the ombre. Those are really pretty. Next, oh, here's a doodle pop. That is so cute, and that's like a castle, like a haunted castle. Dracula's castle. How fun. I love Doodlebug. Anything Doodlebug. Doodlebug is just adorable. They're so cute. And here's a card, and it says swap. Caution, enter if you dare. And these cute little ghosts that are dancing on the bottom. How cute is that? And here's a ghost sticker holding the card. So let's see here. It says ghostly greetings. Beck's loaded bag Halloween swap, September 2024. Your partner was UCY I'm a Diva. That's her Instagram and YouTube name. And this is, she used various Doodlebug Halloween collections. How fun. So I was working on a Doodlebug swap as well. It was the 13 Days of Halloween swap, and my partner and I chose to do Doodlebug, and we are also using various collections from Doodlebug. Doodlebug is fun because their colors are all the same. It's just, different designs, and so they go well with each other. You can mix and match their collections, not a problem. And it all works well. So let's see here. Oh, look at that. So here she has a bag topper and it says candy. She put a little like a dimensional bat on there and these enamel candy corns. And she made these shaker like candy jars. So let me open this. All right. Look at how fun those are. And then she stuck stickers on there that say trick or treat. That is so cute. I love shakers. I used to be intimidated by shakers like a few years ago, and now I love them. I can't stop making them. They're just so much fun. Oops, here. Next here, these look like maybe they're die cuts. Let me take a look. And this is the bag topper here, and she puts a sticker on there with these cute ghosts making funny faces. And here, yep. So here we have these cute ghosties on some, they're cut out of white glittered cardstock. How fun is that? And the bowls have this really cute cabochon. It looks like a, what is that? Like a tombstone with a cross on it that says RIP. How fun. So 4 little cute ghosties there. And here, have a spooktacular day. One in gray and one in black. And these are like, what do you call it? To put on cards, like your card front. So yeah, I have it in a glittered pink, glittered purple, and a black glittered cardstock. How fun. And this is good because I've been working on cards more. I started off paper crafting, making cards, and then I stopped. I got into everything else. And then now I want to kind of step up my card game a bit and work on more cards. I think I need to, do that more so I can get better at it. So in here, it looks like she sent some cut aparts from the various Doodlebug collections. So let's take a look. Oops. Which is fun because I have my Doodlebug collections out right now. I put away all my Halloween supplies except for the paper and dies. So here are some cute little stars, and it looks like jelly beans. I could be wrong though, or like bubbles in different shapes. Like if you had a cauldron and they had the bubbles coming out, you could use these different shapes maybe. And then some stars here. So that's super cute. And then here, Oh, the cute little girl. Here's a little snake, a splatter, a pumpkin, and a moon. And here's a cute haunted house, some glasses, a pumpkin, a cutout word that says hello, a word that says October, so it could be hello October, 31, another cute haunted house with the ghost and all the little eyes and then the cute pumpkin. And let's see here. These are just some shapes, various shapes here, splatters, triangles to make a flag. Here's a cute little trick-or-treater, Frankenstein, and here's like a card mat. And here's a cutout of a haunted house and another star and a jelly bean or speech bubble. So cute. I'm definitely going to add these to my Judabug collection papers. So here, she made these really pretty haunted houses. Look at that. So let me open this up here. And again, here's a bag topper with the same type of pumpkins. Super cute. And look at those haunted houses. How cute. And the cute little ghost sticking out. Look at all that paper piecing. Oh my goodness. I know that took some time, but it turned out super cute. I love it. And here it's trick or treat. And let's see what's in here. So these are, it looks like, is it 3x3? Yep, 3x3 squares. And look at the cute cupcake and the like the Halloween, like it could be like a latte or a hot chocolate. How fun is that? These are so cute. What a good idea. These are nice. All you need to do is make your cards and then you can stick this on the front. So that's perfect. I love that. Next, look at these cute little Frankensteins. I love this. This is so cute. I wonder if this one is My Creative Time or is this Cat's Love on Allie. One of them, but this is so cute. I love it. He is a cutie. Love, love, love. And here, oh my goodness, look at this. This is a Happy Halloween cover for making cards from the stamp market. Happy Halloween. That is so cute and perfect timing because, like I said, I'm trying to work on cards. So that's amazing. Next, this is, oh, look at this butterfly. That is so cute. I love that. This is her memory decks. So let me open up the memory decks. And she made it a shaker and it's a ticket shaped memory decks. And that is so cute. She has a doily in the back with one of those, you know, the Doodle Pop stickers. That is so cute. I love that. And last but not least, she made some rosettes. I love having rosettes on hand. They're so easy to just grab and you can decorate yourself, layer. She did it in all different sizes, so that's awesome. Again, using the Judabug papers. And look at the cute little mummy with the eyes. And she has the word boo there. So this is so cute. Well, thank you so much, Bex, for hosting this amazing swap. Thank you, Lisa. You see why I'm a diva. Everything is just absolutely beautiful. I am so happy with everything. I don't know if you're my partner. I don't know how Bex did it, if like she did it as an even swap or, you know, maybe she got another person's swap. I'm not sure. But in any case, everybody was talented. A bunch of amazing women entered this swap. I loved everybody's creations. But I want to thank you all for stopping by. Take care and happy crafting, y'all. And I'll see you soon. Bye.